Next is Rahul bought 15 pens and 6 notebooks. If pen cost x square and notebook cost rupees 2y, how much amount did he spend? Number of pens into cost of the pen. So 15x square plus 6 notebook, number cost of the one notebook is 2y, so 6 into 2y. So answer is 15x square plus 12y. Option number 2. Our answer is option number 2. Cost of the pen is rupees x. 15 pens into x, that is 15x. Cost of the pen is x square. 15x square plus 6 into 2y, 12y. So answer is option number 1. Option is 2. Option number 2. Next is the present age of Rajdev is x years and Ramdev is 24 years. What was the sum of their ages 3 years ago before? 3 years before, Ramdev's age is 24 minus 3, that is 21 years. And 3 years before, Rajdev's age is x minus 3 years. And addition of these two number, 21 plus x minus 3. X plus 18. 21 minus 3, 18. What is the option here? But option is in the form of this type. So, I write the first age of these two number. Rajdev's age and the Ramdev's age, x plus 24. Now, their ages is reduced by 3. Before 3 years, so Ramdev is 3 years less than the today's age. So, here is 3 years ago and Rajdev's age is also 3 years ago, that is 3 plus 3 minus 6. The sum is reduced by the 6. So answer is x plus 24 minus 6. That is x equal to 24 minus 6, 18. X plus 18. So our option number 1 is the correct answer. X plus 24 minus 6. Ramdev's 3 years and Rajdev's 3 years, that is the 6 years. The sum is less than the 6 years. Next question. All the indices is raised to 0. All the numbers are 0. A raised to 0, that is 1. So 15 raised to 0, answer is 1. 1010 raised to 0, answer is 1. 185 raised to 0, answer is 1. So, all the answer of this term is 1, that is 1 plus 1 upon 1 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 1 into 1. 1 plus 1, 2 upon 1 plus 2 upon 1, that is the 4. Answer is option number 4. 55 raised to 0, answer is 1. 105 raised to 0, answer is 1. Next question. Karim had X notes of rupees 100 and Y notes of rupees 50. He spent 140 rupees. Now, how was the balance amount with him? First find how many rupees had the Karim had X notes of rupees 100. Suppose there are the 5 notes of 100. So there is the 5 into 100, that is 500. Similar way, X notes of rupees 100, that is he had 100x rupees plus Y notes of 50 rupees, 50y rupees, and sum of these two rupees are 100x plus 50y, and this is the total amount. and he spent rupees 140. So how much remain? How much balance the Karim had? 100x plus 50 minus 140. That is option number 1. Now next example, multiplication of these two numbers, 5ab cube upon 7b into 14b raised to 4 upon 60 a square b. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 5 ones are 5, 5 twelves are 60, 2 ones are 2, 2 sixes are 12. First of all, solve this 5 into 14 upon 7 into 60. First solve the numbers. 5 into 14, 7 into 60 into, first multiply the numbers, that is coefficient, then the variable. 5 ones are 5, 12, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, that is 1 upon 6. Now here a into b cube into b raised to 4, use the rule of the indices, equal base, so there is the addition in the indices, 3 plus 4 7 upon a square into b square, a into a upon a square, cancel the a, that is here is only a, b raised to 7 minus here is the division, so subtract the indices, 7 minus 2, that is 5, b raised to 5 upon 6a. Our answer is option number 1. Use the rule, there is the division of the equal base, b raised to 7 divided by b raised to 2, that is b raised to 7 minus 2, b raised to 5. So our answer is b raised to 5. Now next example, there is the division, so change the sign of the division into multiplication, so take the reciprocal of this number, the operation is changed to multiplication, division change into multiplication, so multiplication sign and take the reciprocal of this number, 12a square b upon 15ab square. First take the reciprocal of this number. Now first multiply the variable coefficient and then the variable, and write multiplication of variable, a square b into a square b upon b square a square into a b square. 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are cut, 27 upon 5. Now here a square into a square cut, a square, b into b square upon b square into b square cut, 27 upon 5, a square upon a square means a into a, b square into a, denominator b square into a cut, that is our answer is 27a upon 5b square. So our answer is b square cut, 27 upon 5 into a square b upon b square a square means a into b divided by 5, b square means b into a. Now cut a and b, A cut, B cut. So our answer is 27 upon 5 A upon B. 27A upon 5B. Answer is option number 1. Next question. A equal to x, B equal to x minus 5, C equal to x plus 3. Then find these values. 3A plus 2B minus 5C. Put the values. Value of A is x plus 2 into, put the value of B, x minus 5 minus C, 5 into C. Put the value of C, x plus 3. Solve the bracket. 3 into x, 3x plus. Solve this bracket. 2 into x, 2x. 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Solve this bracket. Minus 5 into x, minus 5x. Minus 5 into plus 3, minus 15. Write down the like terms. 3x plus 2x minus 5x. 3x plus 2x minus 5x, that is 0. Minus 10 minus 15, that is minus 25. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 5x minus 5x, 0. So minus 10 minus 15 minus 20. So minus 25, option number 1. Next is 0.7 plus 0.3 upon 0.7 square minus 0.3 square. 0.7 plus 0.3, 1.0. Addition of my 0.7, 0.3, that is 1. Now in denominator, 0.7 square, 0.49 minus 0.3 into 0.3, 3 3s are 9, 1 decimal place, 1 decimal place, that is 2 decimal place. 1 upon 0.49 minus 0.49 minus 0.09, that is 0.40, that is 0.4. 0.40 means 1 upon 0.4. So our answer is option number 1. Or by second method, use the formula a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now a square minus b square, first number square minus second number square. Use this formula for here. 0.7 plus 0.3 in bracket upon a square minus b square, addition of number, two number, then addition of the subtraction of two number. These two brackets are equal, so cut these two brackets. Now 1 upon 0.7 minus 0.3, that is 1 upon 0.4. Our answer is option number 1. Here I use the formula. Here I solve the example. Only solve. 0.7 square, 0.49. 0.3 square, 0.09. So subtraction of this number, 0.40. Addition of both the number is 1. 1 upon 0.4. Use this method or this method. Next example. 4x square y into 7xy divided by 56x square y square. 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now on numerator, x square y into xy upon 2 into x square y square. X square cut. Y into y, y square. In denominator, 2 into y square. Numerator, y xy, that is xy square. Y square cut, answer is x upon 2. X upon 2, option number 2. Next example. If x equal to 1.1, y equal to 2.4, z equal to 0.4, then find the value of 2x plus 3y minus 10z square. Put the values. X value 1.1. Put the value of y 2.4 minus 10. Put the value of z 0.4. Here is z square, so write the z square. 1.1 into 2, 2.2 plus 24 into 3, 72, that is 7.2, 1 decimal place, minus 10 into 0.4 into 0.4, 0.16. 2.2 plus 7.2, that is 9.4, minus 10 into 0.16, 160 multiplication, 16 into 10, 160, 2 decimal places, that is 1.60, 1.6, 9.4 minus 1.6, 9.4 minus 1.6, 7.8, answer is option number 2. Next is find the sum of opposite of 4a plus b and opposite of 5a minus 2b. Opposite of this number, that is the positive number, take the positive negative. Opposite of this number is negative 4a plus b plus addition of this opposite to the addition of the opposite of this number, that is minus 5a minus 2b. Change the sign because there is the negative sign, 4a positive negative, minus b, plus minus minus, minus 5a, negative negative positive. Like terms, minus 4a minus 5a, minus b plus 2b. Addition and subtraction are only of the like terms, 4a, 5a, both are the negative numbers, so negative 9a. Minus and plus, then there is the subtraction, 2b minus b plus b. So answer is first option, minus 9a plus b. Next example, in a triangle, if base is given 36x square y and height is 5xy square, what is the area? First, we know the formula of the area of triangle. Area of triangle, write the formula first. 1/2 base into height. You must know the formula of the area of triangle. 1/2. Write the base 36x square y into height 5xy square. Solve this. 2 denominator 2, so here is the 18x square y into 5xy square. Multiplication of two terms. First multiply the numbers, coefficient, 18 into 5, then variable x square y into xy square, 90, x square into x, x cube, y into y square, y cube, so 90 x cube y cube. Option number 3 is the answer. The length of rectangle is 2x raised to 4 plus y and breadth is 2xy. What is its area? Area of rectangle. First write down the formula. Area of rectangle. Length into breadth. Length, put the value of length, 2x raised to 4 plus y into 2xy. Now multiplication of these two terms. First write down the multiplication of two numbers. 2 into 2, 4 into x square 2x raised to 4 into 2xy, solve the bracket, plus y into 2xy. Multiplication of these two terms, 2xy into 2x raised to 4 plus 2xy into y. 2 into 2, 4, x raised to 4 into x raised to 5y plus 2xy square. So our answer is option number 4. 4x raised to 5y plus 2xy square. These are the unlike terms. So there is no addition between. Don't write 4 plus 2, 6. So our answer is option